Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you check for updates to your Remitly application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, if you are using the Remitly app for quite a while and lately you are not finding the application's performance satisfying, that means it might have been getting a new update into the apps. Now, in order to check if the app is updated or not, you just simply have to select the application for a while and tap to this I button, means information section. Tap into there and it will go into app informations of your settings. You just simply have to scroll down to all the way bottom and you will get to see this option of app details in store or version. This application is currently 6.25 of version. Just simply check that and open this app in Play Store. Now, after going into Play Store, if it shows this uninstall and open button, there is no update available for this application for now. This means the app is up to date. But if you can see this update button instead of open, just simply tap to update button and update the Remitly application. And this way you can solve so many problems or issues with your Remitly. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.